You've probably heard this. It's too late to learn programming. AI will take over, or you're already behind. Let me tell you something. That's one of the biggest lies in tech right now. AI is writing code. Tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini can build full apps. So, is it too late to learn programming in 2025? Let's talk about it. I get this question all the time. Bro, is coding even worth it anymore? Won't AI just replace developers? And to be honest, it's a valid question, because AI has changed the game. But here's the twist. It didn't kill coding. It just changed how we do it. Tech isn't a race, it's a wave. In the 2000s, it was websites. In the 2010s, it was mobile apps. In 2025, it's AI plus automation. And guess what? This wave is just beginning. People who learn to build with AI and code now, they're going to lead the next 5 to 10 years. AI doesn't remove the need for coders. It removes the need to memorize syntax. It removes the boring stuff like boilerplate, documentation, setup. But what AI can't replace is problem solving, logic, creativity, knowing what to build and why. It's like giving a sword to someone. Just because you have the tool doesn't mean you know how to fight. So AI isn't replacing developers. It's replacing boring work. But we still need people who can think, build, and solve problems. Learning to code in 2025 is not just relevant, it's easier than ever. You have ChatGPT to guide you. You have full projects on GitHub. You have YouTube channels teaching real-world builds. You can build tools with AI instead of fearing it. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a builder. Don't compare yourself to AI. Learn how to use AI. Coding isn't dying, it's evolving. You don't need to become a full-stack ninja. You just need to be someone who builds useful things. So, if you're wondering, is it too late? Let me tell you something. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. You don't need a degree. You don't need to start when you're 12. You need consistency, curiosity, and a project you care about. People saying it's too late? They're not learning. They're watching from the sidelines. And they want you to sit down too. It's not too late. It's too crowded with people who think it's too late. If you start now and stick to it for even 6 months, building one project after another, you'll be ahead of 90% of the people who are just watching and doubting. So, if you start now, subscribe if you're learning to code the smart way in 2025. Let's grow together.